L'uomo ha inventato il disegno per poter disegnare il più grande ed è l'inizio proprio del disegno dell'architettura.
Would you like to create a space for wellness in an abandoned hotel with Gian Nouvel design? In one of Europe's most important centers of wellness culture, architecture for wellness students are asked to reflect on the role of architecture in shaping well-being experiences, integrating functional, sensory, and environmental aspects into a unified design vision.
I am Martine Baudin and I will be your tutor for a wellness workshop in Montecatini. I began to work very young. In this time, the only way to make some studies seriously for the family when you wishes to be an artist was to learn architecture.
With Martine, students will focus on the reconversion of a disused hotel in Montecatini, a thermal town that has combined care and social life for decades, imagining a contemporary wellness center dedicated to the care of body and mind.
So I have been very, very lucky because chasing for a teacher, I met Adolfo Natalini, and it's like that. I began my life completely on the reverse side. I began my life by searching something different, teaching. It's the only way for me to tell my story and explain how important it is to think before anything else. Creativity is not negotiable. Wellness is not just something you buy. Wellness is something you created by yourself, sharing with other people, for them before, and then probably at the end for yourself.
How would you rethink the concept of wellness in a forgotten hotel?